Hello and welcome back to Benmarks Motors on this lovely sunny day. Here today we've got a 2019 Hyundai i10. This is the 1.2 SE automatic and it's finished in this really eye-catchy blue. This blue is actually called Champion Blue. It's a factory extra worth £550, believe it or not. Really suits this car. Especially being with a really small hatchback, this blue does really stand out. It's a superb low mileage example, this one, and it's just covered just 8,686 miles from new. It's powered by a 1.2 litre petrol engine, which produces 87 brake horsepower, and that's paired with a smooth automatic gearbox. Incredibly easy to drive, perfect for town and city use, while still being comfortable and capable for longer journeys. This would make an excellent first car for somebody, or just a car, or just for anyone that needs a car just to get around. The car has clearly been well looked after as well. It comes with proof of 6 services in total, 5 of which have been carried out by Hyundai main dealers. The most recent service was completed at just 8,640 miles, which shows how well it's been maintained despite the extremely low mileage. It's also very economical to run as well. Let's have a look at the inside. Really nice clean interior. Practically a brand new car. Here we go. Just get the... That's a really nice interior on this model. Really nice multimedia display there with your buttons down there. It is an automatic as well, so for anyone who's passed the test and can only drive an automatic, this would be perfect. Or for anyone that's just getting bored of manuals and just wants a little automatic run around. There we go. 8,686 miles. There you go. Plenty of storage in here. You've got a 12-volt battery charger down there, 2 cup holders and lots of storage down there, as well as storage up here as well, and a nice little 12-volt battery with an AUX and USB there. Can plug your phone in and play your music. Some more storage in the glove box, and as I say, it's just a really tidy car. Really nice car if you just want something small just to run about whilst being automatic and really easy to drive. Might be a hatchback, but it is also quite spacious inside as well. Plenty of room in the back. I mean, I've got that seat in my position and I'm not particularly small, so still plenty of space there, even with the seat there. There we go. Really nice and clean. Nice fabric this as well. Not massive boots on these, but for the size of the car, they have quite spacious boots, quite deep, so it goes quite far down, and obviously with the patch shelf out, it is quite tall. Lots of clean as well, there you go. Apologies about the sun. Lovely colour, this blue. Obviously it'll come supplied with a brand new MOT, 2 keys and 6-month warranty included for that extra peace of mind. So if I had to sum this car up, you've got ultra low mileage, excellent service history, automatic gearbox and a standout colour. This Hyundai i10 SE Automatic is a smart, dependable hatchback that's ready to drive away practically. If you'd like to arrange a viewing or a test drive, please contact us. You can visit www.benmarks.uk.com. Give us a call on 01482 320 085 or pop down to Carlton Street and come and look at our showroom. Plenty more cars inside our showroom as well. Thanks again for watching.